believe that technology is literally, absolutely, deeply fundamental to human freedom, to human prosperity, material freedom on this planet.
Our journey in design began with the desire to create great products. We are dedicated to connecting technology with people through artistry.
To the endless forms of nature as being the base and principle of that, all the way from urban design to even product.
And our designers drew inspiration from nature to create the curves at the back of this van.
Technology breathes itself into education. A core component of accessibility is that human reaction.
Different this kind of target product will satisfy the different users' needs.